is the vegetable cousin to Bruce Lee? Broccoli.
Did you know that broccoli is a good source for vitamin C, folate, fiber, and potassium? This means that broccoli can contribute to immune health, digestive health, and our muscles. And that's just to name a few. Before using fresh broccoli, you should clean it. You could soak it by fully submerging it in water. Or you could rinse it, making sure that you get in between all of the florets of the crown. Here's a few recipes to get you on the road to eating this vitamin C, folate, fiber, and potassium filled vegetable. Combine 2 cups of sour cream, 1 1/3 a cup of salsa, and 3/4 a cup of chopped green onions in a bowl and mix for a serving of 6. We take our broccoli, give it a try. As you can see, I already have 2 cups of fresh broccoli chopped with 2 cups of fresh strawberries diced and 1/4 a cup of sunflower seeds in a bowl. Now we're going to make the dressing for this salad. The dressing recipe requires 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, fresh or bottled, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, or in this case in the video I used honey, and optionally you can add 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds.
What?
Combine 1 pack of frozen broccoli with 1 small carrot dice in a non-stick skillet over medium heat with 1/4 a cup of water. Stir occasionally to break up the broccoli about 10 minutes. Drain it well. Then beat 8 eggs with 1/4 a cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of mustard, salt and pepper in a large bowl until blended. Add the broccoli mixture with 3/4 a cup of cheese and 1 tablespoon of green onion. Mix it all together well. Coat that same skillet with cooking spray. Heat over medium heat until eggs are almost set 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and cover and let stand until eggs are completely set and no visible liquid egg remains.
That's good.
In a saucepan, combine 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of chopped onion, 2 cups of frozen or cut broccoli, 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, 2 bay leaves, and 1 dash of garlic powder. In this video, I used minced garlic. Bring mixture to a boil. Reduce heat, cover and simmer for 10 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Remove the bay leaf. Place half of the mixture in a blender or food processor. Cover and blend 30 to 60 seconds or until smooth. Pour it into a bowl and repeat the remaining vegetable mixture and set it all aside. In the same saucepan, warm the 2 teaspoons of oil. Stir in 2 tablespoons of flour and salt and pepper. Add the 1 cup of milk all at once, stirring rapidly with a wire whisk. Cook and stir until mixture is thickened and bubbly. Stir in the blended broccoli mixture. Cook and stir until soup is heated through. Season to taste with additional salt and pepper.
fuck up.
Store broccoli in a plastic bag with holes in them for air circulation to keep broccoli fresh for longer. Use within 3 to 5 days. Okay guys, so we just went through 4 recipes in less than 5 minutes. We had a snack, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I hope that was enough to show you guys that incorporating broccoli into your meals is really easy. Also, don't forget our storage tips, and I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!